kiddos! Yay! Today we will learn about fruit names. Yuppie! Hey, let's go! Apple! It's a red apple. What's the name? Apple! What comes next? Yay! It's a banana. Banana. Yay! What's the name? Banana.